everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am RJ and this is my home cooking show. Today is a very special day because it is my dad's birthday. To celebrate his birthday, I will be cooking Almond Caramel Cookies. The ingredients are almonds, butter, flour, honey, brown sugar, and lastly vanilla extract. You will also be needing a food processor to chop these little almonds into way more little pieces. This is our processed almonds. This is how fine it should be. It should be like a big rock. Petals. Something like that. And so let's set it aside for later. In the meantime, we'll melt the butter and caramelize this sugar. Once you've added your butter, sugar, and honey, mix it. After that, let's add our almonds. Now, let's preheat our oven to 165 degrees Celsius. While the oven is preheating, let's shape our cookies. Arrange your cookies away from each other because when it bakes, it spreads a lot. So you go something like this. done baking the cookies. I put it in the jar, so let's give it to my dad. Hi, Papa. I made cookies for you. Happy birthday, Pa.
Oh, thank you. Oh, that's so sweet of you. So cookies, is this the one that I smelled from the kitchen?
Yes, it is.
Oh, so what is this made out of?
It's made of honey.
Honey, I love honey. What else? What's this white
almonds?
thing here? Almonds.
Mm-hmm. It's
Oh.
like chopping the pieces small ones.
How do you open this? Oh yeah, there. Can I try it?
It's for you.
Right. Smells so good. I can smell the honey. Wow. Wow. It's good. It's chewy, not really that crunchy, but I love the texture of the almonds. Oh, I love this. It's not that sweet. Really good. I can finish this whole day in one sitting. Thank you so much, Sandra. So good. I love you so much. You know that very well. No, I'm gonna finish it.
By the way, my mom is there. She's the one who's recording.
I'm gonna have some, mommy.
Later.
Why are you recording? Not that makes it.
So good. How about Koi? You leave some for Koi?
Kuya's been eating a lot since earlier.
Oh. I can have this my snacks when I was working.